Hi everyone, this is Shivarutra, doing my first year BSc Nursing in SNS College of Nursing. It is the first institution to implement design thinking in curriculum. Today I am here to present my topic. It's nothing but artificial intelligence in oral medication. Being a nursing student, you guys can feel that how I can talk about artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is used in medical field to avoid the medication errors. First, let me explain about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Basically, what are the tasks which are be going to perform by us that was programmed to a machine, and the machine will perform the activities by using the human brain, I mean the knowledge of human brain. Now you guys can have a question about why artificial intelligence is used in medicines or any medication purpose. So let me explain you about the purpose of artificial intelligence in oral medications. The primary aim of health related to AI applications is to analyze relationship between prevention or treatment techniques and patient's outcome. Artificial intelligence programs are applied to practice such as diagnosis, process, treatment protocols, development, drug, personalized medicine, patients monitoring and care. Before going into the topic deeper, let me explain about oral medication. Oral medication is a process by which drugs are delivered by mouth through alimentary tract. They can be either liquid or solid form. It is done by sublingual and buccal. Let me explain about sublingual administration. First, the patient should be placed in a supine position, and the patient places the medication under the tongue, like in the sublingual pockets, at least for 10 minutes, and advise the patient to avoid the opening of mouth, eating, drinking, chewing during this time. Shift the tab to a different position under the tongue if it is necessary. Now coming to the buccal administration, the tablet should be placed between the gums and the wall of cheeks with the mouth closed. The tablet should be held in this position at least 5 to 10 minutes. Do not administer fluid until this medication dissolves. And stay with patient until it swallow and check the mouth for ensure swallowing. Okay. Now let me come into the topic, artificial intelligence in oral medication. Artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence assisted technology can be used in non-communicable disease to patients to measure or increase drug adherence. Some of the techniques are used in oral medication such as mobile phone application, reminder system, assessing adherence level, increasing adherence, time saving and scientific measures. So let me explain how these techniques are used in oral medications. So artificial intelligence is currently being used to analyze user behavior for provide insight into the user. Artificial intelligence can tell more mobile apps what users are looking for and what they are using their apps. So mobile developers can use this information to make changes for better user engagement. A number of ways of assessing adherence have been developed. These can generally be described as direct methods or indirect methods. Direct methods are the examines of blood or urine or other bodily fluids for the presence of medications or a metabolite. We can increase the adherence level and we can monitor by educating patients what about their expectations, nurture relationship with patients, team up with prescribing, engaging with staffs and learning, helping, scheduling. So these are some methods used to increasing the adherence measures and scientifically proven. So artificial intelligence for patient empowerment. So it provided relevant quality checked medical information about breast cancer and epidemiology, treatments and side effects, and as well as information about lifestyles, fertility, reimbursement and patients' rights and so on. So you guys can have a doubt about artificial intelligence in medications, about the benefits. So let me explain the benefits. So AI has shown promising results in both measuring adherence level and improving medication adherence. Currently assessing medication adherence and its underlying influence factor can be challenging for physicians and researchers. There is a multiple of direct and indirect as well as objective and subjective methods available for measuring these patients' self-report, electronic measures, and pharmacy refills. Claim data are currently most commonly used measures in research, routine practice, and epidemiological and intervention sites. However, self-reported measures have only a weak to moderate correlations with For example, prescriptions refills and electronic measures, a combination of these methods is anticipated to be a useful approach to increase the validity and reliability of adherence measures, which could be achieved utilizing artificial intelligence method, especially machine learning techniques. Today, I think that I shared my knowledge about artificial intelligence and oral medication. So, artificial intelligence is not only used for oral medications, it has been used widely in many fields. So, thank you for watching my video.